How much experience you got now?
15 years.
15 years.
Heavy haul for 13.
I'm telling you. Any advice for the new guns, man? The ones coming out, everyone's always saying they're making millions of dollars and they got Ferraris and Bugattis.
They ain't got shit but an open pocket and an empty stomach. I don't care what they're doing out there in trucking, you're gonna make a little bit. If you're making 150,000, you're clearing about average, about what everybody else does, you know, about 60, 75,000. You got all your overhead you gotta cover.
What's going on, mother truckers? Introduce yourself, brother.
Hot Rod out of Texas.
Hey, you know, all I gotta say is Christmas is coming up.
Yeah.
So this gotta be our Christmas edition. I'm not gonna say which one is his that he's riding in, but you know, we gotta stay. Man, that's a beautiful green right there, man.
Yeah,
So
start riding.
specs.
2020 389, got the X15, 18 Fuller 18, 330, 355 rears, stainless, adjustable slide, brand new reefer.
Sheesh. So what company you working for, brother?
Phil Hill Trucking out of Sierra, Georgia.
So this ain't just jumping out 6 months experience and you get to work here, is it?
I've actually been in this truck 2 weeks.
No way.
Just picked it up.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
How much experience you got now?
15 years.
15 years.
Heavy haul for 13.
I'm telling you. Any advice for the new guns, man? The ones coming out, everyone's always saying they're making millions of dollars and they got Ferraris and Bugattis.
They ain't got shit but an open pocket and an empty stomach. I don't care what they're doing out there in trucking, you're gonna make a little bit. If you're making 150,000, you're clearing about average, about what everybody else does, you know, about 60, 75,000. You got all your overhead you gotta cover.
I got you. So either you're a great company driver or you're a great owner operator. At the end of the day, if you're doing $70,000, $80,000 a year take home, you're doing pretty good.
Oh yeah.
That's good, man. You can feed a lot of family with that.
Oh yeah. That's why we out here doing it for the love of the trucking, and for the new guys, just listen to the old schools and have respect for the other drivers out there. Look out for each other.
I love that, man.
There ain't much of that going on anymore, man. You see them broke down on the side of the road and people blow right by, won't even get over. Have a little respect for your fellow truckers and keep trucking, man. Keep it safe. Keep the shiny side up, rubber side down.
Hey, I love it, man. Yeah. Look at this. Jeez. It's beautiful, brother.
Appreciate you, man.
Hey, thank
Good
you so
major.
much. You know, I appreciate you. I thank you for what you do. And I tell you what, man, you're looking good while doing it, baby. And you deserve it, brother.
That's what it's all about. She's dirty right now. I've been riding in the rain all day yesterday, but she still looks good and still shining.
I'll tell you this. Why is it when people riding in the nicest trucks, they always say they're dirty? Why is that, man?
Because we take pride in our ride. We got to look good at what we're doing.
I love it, man. Hey.
That's our home on wheels right there. I mean, you keep your house clean, don't you? Keep your ride clean.
I'll tell you. Thank you so much for your support, mother truckers. You know, if you guys want to grab some gear, as you guys know, I'm co-owner of Big Rig Tees. So we got our mother trucker shirts, we got our hats, and then we have about 41 designs. I'm putting them up on the wall now, but I'm missing a couple representation in the trucking industry. Give me some ideas, but go to the asianmyshow.com and check them out. All right, mother truckers. So for all you tow truck drivers out there, old school, we got veterans, we got that snowman shirt, that's dope. Our mother trucker, of course. We got tanker, we got heavy haul, we got some flatbed over here. We do have some refrigerated, I got to put that up. We do need maybe some Freightliner shirts out there, some more Kenworth stuff, but you know, let me know what you guys want and we'll make the designs of it. But you know, the whole key is to represent truck drivers.